You just have received $100 in your bank account. You will receive this notification every day by the end of the day. It is so exciting to make a handsome amount without any hard work. As long as you are a part of this planet, you can use this method. It would be so exciting to receive such a huge amount every day, and you would be able to manage your expenditures accordingly. So, are you ready to mix up your life with luxuries? Let me tell you how. Before we start our video, hey guys, welcome back to channel where you will learn surprising money-making methods. Today, I have a special strategy. You are gonna love this method because you don't have to shed a single drop of sweat to make dollars. So, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon too for more money-making strategies. So, let's get started. You just need to have a laptop or smartphone or PC. Open your internet browser and type Adobe Express in the Google search engine. Open the first link. Now you can see the website's interface and you can make thousands of dollars using this particular website. I'm going to show you how to create those images, so first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. Just head on over to your browser. Simply visit Adobe Express to learn more about the designs you may complete with this program. But what can you actually produce with Adobe Express? You may build designs with this free online tool's thousands of unique templates by simply dragging and dropping them into place. To create social graphics that immediately stand out from the crowd and result in high-quality designs, you can select the photo, add text, and use design effects or animations. We will be focusing on images in this section. Even if you don't have a laptop or computer, you can still do this with your phone because the app is available for both Android and iOS. This means that even if you are lying in bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's going to be easy. Go to Adobe Express and click on Get Started Now to create a free account. From there, you can share your work instantly and get paid with a website, which I'm about to share with you. When you create a brand new Adobe Express account, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You have all these different graphic designs which you can create that are done for you, and you just need to change the text to make it into your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars. Once you decide which account you want to sign up for, it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. In order to produce Instagram stories and Facebook posts, Facebook publishes picture collages, print presentations, branded photos, and even custom-sized photographs. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and other things using any of these available templates. So, let's take an example where I want to use the flyer design template to demonstrate how simple it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design to load my template so I can fully customize it. I can change everything. All you have to do is double-click on the text and type in the desired changes. If I type in marketing and click done, the image will change. On the right-hand side, you can also change the colors, the font, the size, and everything else. You can also add different shapes. If you don't like this one, you can choose another template here by clicking Create from this template, waiting until it loads, and then customizing it. This makes it really easy to use, because it's 99% done for you. All you have to do is change the text and save it. Now I want you to open designcrowd.com. I will also paste the link in the description box so you will jump directly on the website without any difficulty. Now you can see the interface of the website. Employers can post design assignments on the freelancing website Design Crowd. Employers can submit a project and select up to 50 designs from the platform's almost 1 million registered freelance designers. No credit card is necessary. Recruit more than 250 million candidates. Did you notice the number of freelancers working on this website and selling their services? Well, you can be one of them, but you don't have to do any hard work or you don't need any skill degree or previous experience. Adobe Express will do all the work for you. If you click on categories, you can see a number of options like logo designing, flyer designing, business card designing, and much more. This website is basically for freelance graphic designers. I know you are not a designer and you don't have any skills, but you can still do this job. By implementing this strategy, you can make thousands of dollars by just simply doing 5 minutes of work. You will download that edited file from Adobe Express and you will send it to the client from the designed crowd, and you will get paid by doing almost nothing. You will hardly spend 5 minutes and you will get paid for that time. How amazing is that? On this website, you will see job posts related to design. You can pick a category and then you will see a number of job posts. Don't worry if you find fewer jobs in a specific category. They update regularly. So, if you want to do more work, you can explore other categories too. You will make changes in Adobe Express according to job requirements, and you will send it to the client. And done. You will get paid for this simple task. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you soon. Take care.